I'm not recording. Am I not recording on my phone right now? I am so paranoid that it's not recording. Okay. Hey guys, it's me, Emily, obviously, and I hope you are having a great day so far. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. My money has been tight lately, very tight, and my work has definitely been cut down due to COVID. One thing that I've really been wanting to do is get my nails done. They are not cute right now, but as we all know, that costs a pretty penny. So I was like, dang, I wish I could really get my nails done. So I was scrolling through TikTok as one does, and I saw this one TikTok that was talking about how they went to the Dollar Tree and they got dollar nails and some super cheap nail glue, and they just painted the nails the color they wanted, and boom, they had really cute nails. They shaped them up how they wanted them and everything. And I was like, wait a second, this is revolutionary, because I love getting my nails done, but I'm also a musician. I play piano, I play guitar sometimes, or I cook, just different things that I want my hands free for. And getting a full set or a gel set is a literal commitment. You are committed for 3 weeks minimum. And so with the fake press-ons, just the glue kind, I feel like I can take them off way easier. So if I get tired of them, I can just rip them off. And then I can just go back to the Dollar Tree and get new ones if I want them again. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I'm gonna see if this is really gonna work and really be cute. Because if this is cute, this might be my new go-to, because look, I'm trying to be a baddie on a budget. I don't have a lot of money. There are very few people on this planet that can actually afford all the luxuries. So I'm gonna try today to prove that we can do this. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree. Hey, gonna dump it out. So I have these matte fashion nails. I got 2 packs. I got these coffin-shaped nails here. And I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to cut them down because I don't think I want my nails that long. But I don't know, maybe I'll go crazy. Maybe I'll do something dramatic and extreme for fun. I got these emery boards, these nail files, to kind of help me file down the nails and just kind of get the shape that I want. I think I want coffin shape because I love coffin shaped nails. I have this maximum speed kiss nail glue. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I did not get this glue from the Dollar Tree. I got this glue from Kroger, although it was $1.69. So it was really cheap too, very affordable. And then last but not least, I got this orange color nail polish because I'm feeling very fall-y and I want a fall nail look, and I love this color. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is open these nails, and let's just kind of size them up and see which ones are gonna work. Cool. So these are the biggest ones. Those are pretty big, but I think it actually might be right for me. Okay, so now I have all of my nails picked out for the closest sizing that they can be for my fingernails. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to file them down a little bit because I do want them to be a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna take my Dollar Tree $1 emery boards and I'm gonna just, I just bent them. I straight up bent them. It's $1. We gotta remember the packaging is not gonna be quality. That's okay, as long as these nails look cute. I'm gonna use this pretty one, and I'm going to just start filing them down a little bit. Am I a professional yet? So I haven't filed it that much. I'm gonna do it like this and see what happens. Is this working? I can see it. Ew, that's really crooked. Ew. Okay, yeah, so this is not really working. These emery boards are not the best. So if you do this, I would invest in a better nail file. I think instead of filing them off my nail, I'm actually going to go ahead and apply them first. No, no. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint them first because I'm horrible at painting my nails. So I'm gonna paint them first and then I'm gonna glue them to my nails and then I'm gonna file them. Yeah. Yeah. So here we go. Ooh, pretty orange. So I'm just gonna go in and paint that bad boy. Oh my God, this is a horrible idea. Nope. Abort mission. Abort mission. That is not gonna work out. Okay, so I thought I was gonna be cool and go in a different order than the lady on TikTok said to go, but that was a failure. So I'm just going to glue the nails on to my nails first. I'm gonna follow the instructions. Open the nail glue. This brings me back to like when I was in middle school and I wanted to like be cool. I guess this is just me being in early adulthood, wanting to be cool. So I guess life is like middle school. Here's where it gets scary, okay? I'm gonna start with this hand. Yeah, I'm gonna start with this hand. I should really start with this hand because this is my bad hand. Okay, here we go. Just a drop. I'm gonna just put that nail on. Oh, it's not good, guys. Here we go. Pressing it on, pressing. Oh, nail one is secure. So I learned you can't just put one little drop on the bottom, you gotta cover the whole nail in a thin layer. So that's what we're gonna do from now on. We're gonna cover everything in a thin layer. On to the next one. Okay, hand one done, hand one done. Let's move on to the other hand. Wow, this nail glue hates me. There we go. Just had to use the mouth. Okay, so I've got all of the nails glued on. Ta-da! They look a little bit like claws right now, but I mean, you know, we still have time. We still have time. So it's been a few minutes. My nails have kind of dried. I think they're pretty secure. So I'm gonna start by clipping them. I stole my husband's super fancy nail clippers. Okay, so that is where they're at right now. Let's sweep these away. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and file them down and then see what they look like after that. Now they don't look the best. Like some of them are kind of crooked. Could have done a better job gluing them, but can't complain, cannot complain. So they're not really coffin shape anymore. They're just kind of rectangle. And I'm not gonna clip them to be coffin shaped because I feel like that is too brave and I just want this to be a semi-successful video. So we're just gonna keep them kind of rectangular now, which is fine with me too. I like the like rounded edge rectangle shape as well. So we're gonna go with that. So as you can see, I'm just filing them down a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna go ahead and file the rest of them down off camera, and then when I like the shape of them, I'll be back to show you guys what they look like, and then we'll paint them. And yeah, we'll see if they look good or look wild in a bad way. Filing my nails now. Okay guys, so I just got finished filing my nails, filing them down to be somewhat acceptable. They're not perfect by any means, but they do look a lot better than they did. They're way less long, they're more short, and that's exactly what I wanted. And I like the shape pretty well too. There are some of them that are a little bit wide at the tip, but it's just gonna be what it is because it's Dollar Tree nails. We'll just, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna go ahead and paint these bad boys just to see if we like it or if we love it or if it's a failure. Get ready to witness pretty much the worst nail painter on planet Earth. Okay, so I started with my bad, you could by using my bad hand to put the nails on my good hand last time for the last activity. So I think this time I'm gonna go opposite because it'll be harder. I need my good hand to already be painted because I feel like it'll be harder to like not mess up the paint if I use my bad hand first and then paint my good hand. I hope that made sense. It probably didn't, but let's just go in for it. All right, I hope I like this color. I think it's a little bit more red than I was expecting, but what do you do? So this is already easier than painting my real nails. And wow, I'm gonna need a few coats. This is like not orange like I thought it would be, but what do you do? Ooh. 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 Yeah, see, this is why I'm not a nail artist. Oh God. Okay, so I just applied a very messy first coat to these bad boys. So I'm gonna let them dry and then I'm gonna repaint them. And once they are painted to my liking, I will be back and we will see if we like them and if this was all worth it. Okay, see you in a second. A few coats later. Okay guys, so after some very real and concentrated painting, I did a couple more layers, a couple more coats. This is what they look like. Ta-da, ta-da. Now, are they perfect? Absolutely not. Are they all even? No. Is the color anything like the bottle? Absolutely not. Like this is orange, this is like hot pink red. This is not the same.
This is not the same. This is not the same.
But aside from all of that, do I have nails on? Yeah. Are they kind of cute? I think so. I did kind of like overpaint on some of the parts. You can kind of see like where I painted my fingers, but I don't mind them. I really don't mind them. I think it's better than nothing. I'm not a nail artist, and of course they would look better if I actually went and got them done. But again, your girl's on a budget. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Is this cute or is this like crazy looking? Would you try this yourself? And if so, what color would you choose to put on your nails? So again, rate my nails. I'm gonna rate them a solid 6 out of 10. Could be better, but could be way worse. So yeah, leave your thoughts down below. So that's it for today. Really quick, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm so excited and glad that you took the time to watch my video today. I hope that you can consider me your friend and I can consider you my friend. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! All right, that's a wrap, folks.